Hi, do you use Sketch to Image feature on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus? Firstly, we will need to go into Settings, and here on the left side scroll so you could see Advanced Features. Now on the right side select your S Pen, and here we need to make sure that it is detached and we got the good battery percentage, so in my case it is 100%. And now we need to go in Air Command. We can select its style, so the standard is bigger and compact is smaller. And then we would need to go in shortcuts and make sure that Sketch to Image is added to our shortcuts list. And after that, we need to also add this Show Air Command icon, which will look like that, and we can drag it anywhere across the screen. And now we would need to tap on this button and select Sketch to Image. So here you can make a sketch, you can draw anything you want, and it would be transformed to a masterpiece. So let me show you. For example, let's just draw something like a house, just with windows like that. And yep. And now on the bottom of the page, we can select type of the drawing. So we got here watercolor, illustration, sketch, pop-up, and 3D cartoon. Let's choose sketch first, and then we will need to tap generate button, and Galaxy AI will do the work. So it's bringing our drawing to life. And this will take a few seconds. And these are the results. So it's just better than it was before, right? So here is my sketch, and here is AI sketches. But to make the drawing even more perfect and just beautiful, we can select something else. For example, let's choose 3D cartoon, and now tap generate. And now we are waiting again. And these are the results. This is quite impressive. From this not so good sketch, we got this one. It transformed to a beautiful drawing. And we can also choose something else as illustration. And let's add here, tap the button generate, and wait again. And those are the illustrations. So as you can see, it just takes the shape of the original sketch and transform it to more beautiful drawing. If you liked something from the list, you can save it if you just press this save button, and now image is saved. And now I want to show you even cooler feature, and for that we need to open Samsung Notes. Let's tap here to create new note, and now we can draw something. Let's draw a heart like that. Here we can add some lines. And now what we are going to do next is we need to tap on those stars and select sketch to image. After that, we'll need to trace around the drawing you want to transform. Just draw around your drawing like that. And after that, you'll be able to select its style as well. Let's choose watercolor, and now tap generate. And here we are basically doing the same thing. So we are transforming our sketch into a beautiful piece of art. Just take a look how cool it is. It just transformed to a really beautiful drawing, and you can copy it, replace, and add to note. So let me just take a look what I want to select. I want to choose this one. Let's tap add to note, and this is how it looks. Really amazing. So make sure that you signed in your Samsung account for everything to work properly and correctly, because if you didn't sign in your Samsung account, those features won't work, unfortunately. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye!